Do you also sit for hours for studying and you just feel like nothing is going into your brain? Then you must be making some common study mistake and you need to fix them. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing top 5 study mistakes which most of the students make, and also I will be sharing some tricks how to fix those mistakes. So let's begin with the video. Mistake 1, just reading, not active learning. Mistake number 1 is just reading your textbook or your lesson and not doing active learning or active recall. So if you are just opening your book and just reading the lesson, then this is not how it's going to work. You need to active recall. You need to test yourself what you have learned or you have understood it or not. So just do one thing, open your book, just read whatever you want to learn or just learn it, and then just close your book and test yourself. Just recall what you have learned, or maybe you can close the book and make notes by your own without looking. This will do your both jobs of making notes and learning also. So in this way you can test yourself, which is very important. And this is how you can just learn or keep that thing in your long term memory. So this will actually works instead of just passively reading the textbook. Mistake 2, zero planning. Mistake number 2 is zero planning. Most of the students, or maybe few of the students, just study without planning. Just they randomly pick up any subject, randomly pick up any lesson, and just study. You need to plan your entire day, entire week, and entire month. That today I have to do this particular subject, this particular lesson, and tomorrow I have to do that. So this is how you can also avoid procrastination, or maybe you will just complete the lesson today because tomorrow you have another work to do, and this is how you can keep yourself busy, or you have the reason for getting back to study instead of saying that today I don't have anything to study. When you plan, you can have a proper, you can visualize what you have to do, what you don't have to do. You can have your own deadlines, you can have your own goals. So yeah, planning is very important. Mistake 3, ignoring revision. Mistake number 3 is ignoring revisions. So it's not like you have to just read the thing once and it will get into your mind forever. You have to learn it, you have to revise it, you have to revise your notes, you have to revise the lesson at least 3 to 4 times before your 10, not board exam. At least you have to revise everything at least maybe 10 times before your board exam or before any exam. It is very important to revise, and yeah, you should revise it as much as you can, because ignoring revision is the most biggest mistake you can make for your exam. So yeah, revision is very very important. You need to plan how to revise, and you need to revise each and every lesson before your exam. Mistake 4, multitasking. Mistake number 4 is multitasking, that you think that you can do so many things at one time, like listening to music while studying. That's one of the thing. Or maybe you are watching TV and you are studying. Or maybe yeah, there could be many things. So multitasking is the one thing that you should not do while studying. You should be focused, 100% focused while studying. And it should not be like, okay, here you are studying, there you have your phone, there you have a YouTube video. No, it should not be like that. When you are studying, you need to give your 100%, you need to pay attention to what you are reading. So yeah, multitasking is one thing that you should totally avoid while studying. Mistake number 5, not solving PYQs. Number 5 is not solving PYQs. So yeah, there are many students who don't solve PYQs or don't solve question after they have done their, if they have completed the lesson. So that's the biggest mistake. By solving PYQ, you can get the knowledge of how much you have done, how much you remember, how much you need to revise, how much you need to again you have to study. So PYQs give you that clarity that how much portion you have completed and how much is remaining. Also PYQ kind of तुम्हारा जो डल एग्ज़ाम फियर दैट it also reduces that, because you have already solved PYQ. So while solving, while giving paper, you have that thing in your mind, yes, I have already solved PYQ question, and the same question or the same type of question are going to be there in this exam. So that exam fear भी थोड़ा कम होता है. So yeah, solving PYQ is very important, and that's like the major part while studying, while the process of learning. The solving PYQ is one of the major factors. So these were the five study mistake that many students make. If you avoid this mistake, you will definitely improve. You will definitely see improvement in your score. So yeah, this is important, and avoiding this mistake is also important. Yeah, if you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and comment which study mistake do you make and you need to avoid it. Also, thanks for watching this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.